There's a cool feature in Affinity that allows you to create isometric objects using isometric grid. To get started, I've opened up a new document here. Now I need to set up the isometric grid. So I'm gonna go to View at the top and hit Grid and Axis. On the pop-up window at the top, I got preset. This one is for creating icons, and this one is for creating isometric objects. I'm gonna click Show Grid. Then in Mode, there are 4 types here. I'm gonna go to Advanced. On the grid type, I'll select Isometric. On spacing, I'll leave it to 64 pixels. On division, if you need it, you can change it to any number you like. But in this video, I'll leave it to 1. For gather, I'll leave it to 0. On grid lines, I'll slide this up so it's easier to see. After that, I can click Close. Now I can grab the pen tool, turn on snapping if I haven't yet, and start to create an object following the grid. I'll change this color to dark blue, top one to light blue, and this side to a darker blue. However, I can go back to View, Grid and Axis, choose this preset, Isometric with Planes, and check Create Plane Set. Then I got this isometric panel here. Now I can close the Grid and Axis window. Next, in the isometric panel, click Edit in Plane and select Top. Then grab the rectangle tool. I'll zoom in a little and start drawing the top area. Now the side. And now the front. Let's change the color so it's easier to see. I'll change the front to dark blue, the top to light blue, and the side to darker blue. And our isometric object is done. So this is how you design isometric objects with isometric grid. I hope this tutorial is helpful so you can come out with more creative designs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Good day.